Hey all you cool cats and kittens. Sherry here at TJ Cigar Lounge, and we're going to show you how to make a naughty dog. First you start with a Collins glass, which is any glass that looks like this. This is called a build, so we're going to go from the bottom up without ice. Our first ingredient is 1.5 ounces of rum. We use Zacapa, but you can use any kind you want. Probably a dark rum is best. 1.5 ounces. One ounce of Kahlua. Now we are going to add ice. Dublin root beer, almost to the top. And then we're going to drop heavy cream. You can use milk. If you don't have heavy cream, it works just as well. It's a little less creamy, but it works. It's good. Use what you got. Then we're going to stir it. We're going to fold it, actually. So we get it all mixed up. Add a straw. And there you have a naughty dog of your very own at home. Thank you.